Watering your tree or plant is like giving water to your pet. You don't want to overwater and you don't want to underwater. Once you have initially watered your tree, you need to water it every 2 days a little at the base. For the first 6 weeks, sprinkler irrigation is not enough. Fertilize. Water with a watering can or a pail using water-soluble fertilizer at 1 tablespoon per gallon. For flowers, shrubs, and vegetables, up to a 6-inch pot, use 0.5 liter per plant. For 8 inches to 12 inches, use 1.5 liter per plant. For 14 to 18 inch diameter pots, use 4 liters per plant. The transition formula goes like this. Week 1, water every 2nd day. Week 2, water every 3rd day. Week 3, water every 4th day. Week 4, water every 5th day. By week 5, you need to water once a week. If you miss a watering in the first few days, you can stress out or potentially kill the plant. At the nursery, we water all trees every day. Remember, in really hot weather, we all need more water, so do plants. Many people do not water when it rains. Unless it rains more than 1.5 inches, keep up your watering schedule. After a big rain, continue your watering schedule. Use water-soluble fertilizer for the first 2 weeks with every watering.